Welcome to Unit 2. The title of Unit 2 is Solving Ethical Dilemmas and Personal Introspection. This unit deals with bluffing in business in an attempt to gain business. How do you feel about that? As you're reading through this unit, please make sure to pay attention to the questions at the end of each reading or case and make sure you can answer those questions before you move on. In this module, you will need to read Unit 2, Sections 2A, 2B, and 2C, which can be found in your bookshelf. You will need to post in Reading 2.3 discussion. Make sure you view the rubric to see how you will be graded on this discussion. You will need to submit Unit 2 quiz, and also you will have your Unit 2 discussion where you will discuss the material covered in the readings and in the cases. Let me know if you have any questions.